Hey guys, thank you for tuning in to my channel. My name is VEL Dog, and you're cooking with me, while I make restaurant quality foods, or better, from my home to yours. Let's get cooking. Okay guys, today we got on the chopping block chicken. And I'm going to be showing you how to make the most amazing chicken noodle soup recipe ever. So stay tuned in, VEL Dog. Okay guys, we're going to go ahead and get started here. First of all, I'll let you know what type of seasoning I got, and keep in mind I'm going to be using some of this seasoning in my broth. I'm not going to do a whole bunch of broth. I got 2 of them right here. This is 2 pounds of, so it's a total of 4 pounds. Okay, and then I have some Knorr seasoning, chicken seasoning. Okay, I have some, what's this right here? Potpourri. I said potpourri, poultry seasoning, excuse me. I have some white pepper right here because we don't want pepper showing up in our broth. Okay, so I have some curry. This is onion powder. This is garlic powder, kosher salt. This is some thyme, some black pepper, which I will be putting this on the chicken. I have some celery seeds. Last but not least, I have ginger. Okay, so we're gonna get this started. We're gonna go ahead and get us some gloves. First of all, we can't be messing with this poultry without some gloves. So first, we're gonna flip these over. We always do our back side first. We're gonna start out with some kosher salt. So we're gonna do one side first. We're gonna take us some all-purpose seasoning salt. We're just gonna lightly season this meat with this. We don't want too much salt in there. We just got done using that, so we're gonna go ahead and get us some garlic. Season that up. Some people wondering why is he seasoning the meat right now? Why you didn't put it in a pot? Because I'm doing something different. Okay, so stay tuned in to what I'm doing. So here's the onion powder we're putting on there. So if you've seen some of my other videos with me cooking chicken, like chicken fettuccine, I'm going to cook this seasoning in the meat. Okay, we're going to go with some little black pepper. We're going to go ahead and try some of our ginger. Okay, we'll go ahead with this thyme. Okay, I do want to give a shout out to the Brown Urban family. If you like vlogging and pranks and stuff like that of that nature, go ahead and tune in to them and see what's cracking with them. Alright, so that's done on that side. And I'm going to go ahead and get some celery seeds. And then I'm going to flip this over and repeat the process. And so I'll be going over there to the stove and cooking these bad boys, searing them up. Some olive oil. So it'll probably be about 2 or 3 tablespoons, about 2 tablespoons of that. So I'll see you guys over there in a minute, okay? Guys, I'm gonna go ahead and use some of this extra virgin olive oil. Put that in the skillet. This is a carpet skillet. This is like a non-stick or whatever surface. It's pretty good. It works pretty good. You may want to try to get you one. I burned a few things in this thing and wipe right off. So, but don't you ever put no washing detergents or anything like that in it, just water, okay? Because when you do that, you messed it up. You got some type of seal or some stuff they put on it. So anyway, back to the chicken. Okay, I'm gonna put this chicken in there. Okay, back side down. I'm gonna try to squeeze all 3 of these bad boys in here. Okay. Turn that back up a little bit. Alright, now I'm just going to let that go for a second. Okay guys, while the chicken's going, I'm going to let that cook for about 2 or 3 minutes on each side. And then I'm going to get started on this broth. So we're going to see how much we need, this chicken broth. And from the looks of it, I may need another one. I got these from Aldi's. They're about $1.19 a piece. quite 2 pounds. The rest of my seasoning I will be putting back up in, putting it in there. So here's my onion powder. Put that in there. Little thyme, garlic powder, celery seeds, ginger, curry. Put that in there. The curry get a big boost. Looking at the chicken. Alright. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and throw these Noodles in here. Okay, 1. Okay, 2. Okay, now we're gonna pick up some white wine and put some of that in there. About a half cup. Also, I have some white pepper that I'm going to put in there, okay? And I have some kosher seasoning I'm going to put in there, okay? I'm going to take 2 bay leaves and throw it up in there, alright? Stir it up a little bit. Start seeing this chicken sweating, then I'm going to have to take it over there and chop it up. I'm going to finish cooking it in this pot. Take this chicken out. I'm going to go ahead and take this to the pot. Finish cooking this. I'll be right back. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and start dropping some of these in there. Finish cooking it. Oh, some people like, man, this don't look good. Excuse my language. I didn't mean to say that. Also, keep in mind, you may want to put some butter in that. I'll put like 3 tablespoons or whatever. Got to give some oil. Well, I got a little oil. Butter, not margarine and none of that. Just real butter. This is non-salted butter, if anybody wants to know. Okay guys, I'm done with this amazing chicken noodle soup recipe. So while you guys was gone, I chopped up 1 stalk of celery, and I chopped up 1 stalk of carrots. So sorry, I'm sorry I didn't chop it up in front of you guys, but if you guys ever want to see me chopping up anything, all you have to do is comment. And then I also let that cook for like about 45 minutes. I'm saying that to say this, thank you guys for tuning in to my video, and where I make restaurant quality food, or better, from my home to yours. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. VEL Doggs signing out.